a hot minute since I have uploaded a video to YouTube, and today I am happy to say that I am back and figured I would sit down and just do a little chit chat with you guys and let you know where I've been. I think it's been about a month, maybe a little less, maybe a little more since I last uploaded, and YouTube just hasn't been a priority for me. Ever since I started my channel, which was almost 6 years ago, which is really crazy to think, I have always said that school comes first, and that is still the case, and I am in my senior year of college to become a medical assistant, which I'm sure you can imagine entails a lot. I have assignments up the I have a ton of homework, and life has just gotten crazy. A bunch has happened behind the scenes in my personal life, but YouTube has just been placed on the back burner, but I'm happy to say it is now on the front burner. And I actually filmed an update video a few weeks ago. I'll go ahead and roll some of those clips. It had some big announcements that I don't feel like going over again, so we're gonna roll those clips right now. To point out the obvious, yes, I cut my hair. I cut about 8 or 9 inches off, and it is now super duper short, and I absolutely love it. I haven't had my hair this short since probably high school or middle school, and let me tell you, I love my short hair. I feel like I can actually like do stuff with it now, because before it was just too long. I couldn't do anything with it except for throw it up in a bun or a ponytail, and now that it's short, it takes a lot less time to do things. It takes a lot less time to dry it, curl it, flat iron it, you name it. It just takes a lot less time, and I actually can do it in the morning when I wake up. So yes, I did go ahead and chop about 9 inches off of my hair, and I got a new tattoo and a bunch of other things. So I'm happy to say I'm back, and then starting next week I will be back to my normal upload schedule, which is every Monday and Friday. I also really wanted to get your input and ask you guys if you wanted to see a study routine. I really think it'd be fun to just show you guys what I do, how I study, how I prep for exams, how I take notes and stuff like that. So if you guys would like to see that, let me know. And another YouTube related question I had for you guys is if you would like me to start a series on how I am prepping to take my board exam. I'm not taking my board exam until August or September of 2019, but I do want to go ahead and start prepping now so that once the time comes, I'm not freaking out. So if you guys would like me to do an entire series on prepping for that, let me know. I could easily do a video on the 2 exams you can take as a medical assistant, which are the RMA exam and the CMA exam. So I could do a video on comparing the difference between the two. I could do a video on which one I am taking and why I chose to take it. I can do a video on how I am studying and what I've done. I actually have an entire binder that I've set up, so I could go through that and just give you guys more of an insight as to how I'm prepping for it, what I'm doing, and then after I've taken and passed the exam, I can go ahead and wrap up the series with talking about what worked and what didn't work for me. So if that is something that would interest you guys, let me know in the comments down below. I do really want to incorporate school into this channel more, and I think you guys would really like it as well. And I think that's about all I have to say for today. I hope you guys enjoyed hearing this update. If you guys are excited for me to be back, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and be sure to let me know in the comments down below all your input on everything that I have mentioned here today. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload 2 to 3 new videos a week, and would love it if you'd become part of the Allie Packer Squad. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!